everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve an Fg equals mg problem. This problem focuses on finding the mass of an object using the formula Fg equals mg. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel after watching this video. Now, let's get started. So what is Fg equals mg? Fg equals mg is a formula used in physics when dealing with gravitational force, mass, things like that. The Fg in Fg equals mg refers to the gravitational force or the force of gravity. The m refers to the mass of an object, and the g refers to the gravitational field strength. So the g on Earth is about 9.8 newtons per kilogram. Remember, the g, which is attached to the m, is the gravitational field strength. So the gravitational field strength on Earth is about 9.8 newtons per kilogram. Now let's move on to the problem. Here's the problem. The gravitational force exerted on an object on Earth is 800 newtons. What is the mass of the object? So we're trying to find the mass of the object. Let's think about what we're given. Well, we know that the gravitational force exerted on the object is 800 newtons. We also know the gravitational field strength because we know that this object's on Earth. So the gravitational field strength is 9.8 newtons per kilogram. We can use these two pieces of information to find the mass of the object. If we were to find the gravitational force exerted on an object, we could calculate the mass times the gravitational field strength. But because we're trying to find the mass of the object, we can reverse the operation and instead calculate the gravitational force divided by the gravitational field strength. So the gravitational force is 800 newtons and the gravitational field strength is 9.8 newtons per kilogram. So we could compute 800 newtons divided by 9.8 newtons per kilogram to get the mass of the object. So if we compute 800 newtons divided by 9.8 newtons per kilogram, we can get the mass of the object. 800 divided by 9.8 is about 80, but to be more accurate, it's about 81.6. And a newton divided by a newton per kilogram is a kilogram. Think about it as a newton over 1 times a kilogram over a newton. The newtons would cancel out and a kilogram would remain. So the unit would be kilograms. If we calculated 800 newtons divided by 9.8 newtons per kilogram, we would get about 81.6 kilograms. Okay, let me just go over what we just did. So 800 newtons, which is the gravitational force, divided by 9.8 newtons per kilogram, which is the gravitational field strength, equals the mass of the object, which is about 81.6 kilograms. So we just solved this problem. I hope you understood how we calculated the mass of the object. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Please support us as we create and provide educational videos, so please hit that subscribe button. Also stay tuned for more videos.